What's up, guys? Just cleaned up the windows on this rig. Gonna head downtown to a sign shop and get some vinyl decals installed on the back windows. Basically just something that says "Win this Jeep" with the website and the QR code, so that local people at Cars and Coffee or just people that spot it driving around know how to enter to win this thing. So let's go get it done. We're over here at Uptown Signs in Auburn, California. Kevin's getting ready to put on the vinyl decals, just clean the windows up. So this is basically what we got going on. And I don't know about you guys, but Terminator, man, we got Terminator 1 and Terminator 2 font. So those were the good ones. The Terminator 1 and Terminator 2, it got a little weird after that. Terminator 3 was alright. Kind of like the Matrix. Matrix 1 and 2 were good, and then started getting a little weird. So he's just gonna get these centered up, and unlike rookies like myself who can't do dry without bubbles, he's gonna do this thing dry. He's a pro. And so we'll get these bad boys on here, and then I'll show you what they look like. Alright guys, here's how they turned out. Look really good in the bright orange. The guys at Uptown Signs in Auburn, they talked me into the orange. I was gonna do silver just to match the paint on the Jeep, but they said, nah, it's not going to pop enough. We got to do this. So, looks really good. Let me show you the back one. So, if you're local, you can just scan the QR code. It'll take you right to the website. But for you guys online only, just go to rynvzn.com. You'll see all the information about the Jeep and the modifications. And you'll also be able to see a full video walk around going in and out of the Jeep, running the engine, everything. And I'll keep posting stuff on YouTube and Instagram. So visit the website to enter. You also get 3 MP3 music files with every entry, and you can get more than 1 entry. Alright guys, see you on the next one.